about last session, DML, right? Data manipulation language. What are the types we have in the data manipulation language? So we have insert,
Insert, update, and delete.
update, delete. So insert method, where whatever the data we can able to insert into the table, that is called as insert. And update, if you want to update particular cell, or what we can do it, entire column, yes or no? Hello. So if you want to update the entire column or particular cell, particular row of the, if you mentioned as a particular row of the condition method, any method, you can update the data using the update method. Understood? So delete statement is same as truncate. You can delete entire records of the table. And also what we can do is particular, you can use the where condition method, particular row also you can able to delete using this delete statement. So I hope it's clear everyone for DML.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's take the notes on this DML first, then we can move on to the DCL. Okay, for what is the DCL? Data control language. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's take that DML, take the heading data manipulation language. DML, data manipulation language. Under that, copy three times. One, insert, update, delete. Insert. Are you guys able to view my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Copy this three types. Data manipulation language. Under the three types of data manipulation language. One, it is insert, update, and delete it. So what is the method of first one? Insert statement. Yes or no? Okay. Copy insert statement. First one. In front of that copy, this statement is used to, this statement is used to insert, insert records into the tables. This statement is used to insert, insert records into the tables. Shall I repeat once again?
Yes, ma'am.
Insert statement is used to insert records into the tables.
Yes,
Insert.
ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Copy this syntax. So values also copy here itself. Okay. Since it is lengthy line, so I just moved it to the next line. Okay. It will be the continue for the same line usually. So is it visible everyone, right? Shall I
Yes,
zoom?
ma'am.
Copy the syntax of insert method. Once it is done, let me know. Copied?
Yes, ma'am.
Others? Anybody still copying the syntax of insert?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So we have to take the example also, right? For insert method.
Yes, ma'am.
So what we can take? So we have done. Okay. So I'll just show you this example. Copy here. Okay. I'll just remove this executed commands. Okay. Will you guys copy this one? For example,
Yes, ma'am.
you can use either first one or second one. Copied. Let me know once it is copied.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody still copying? Example of insert. I hope it's done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, take it as a update statement. Update statement. Second one. Copy in front of update statement. This statement. This statement is used to. This statement or update statement is used to update the particular column values. Update the particular column values. This statement is used to this statement is used to update the particular column values. Particular column values. Copy this syntax. Both the syntax, just copied it. Okay. Let me know once it is copied. Anybody wants to repeat this statement again for update?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Copy the syntax of both. So what is mean by condition? It should be the column name and values. Particular values you have to mention it. Okay. So copy the syntax and let me know once it is done. Okay. Let me know. I'll be on mute.
Public ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 25th ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Copied?
Yes, ma'am.
Every others copied this one
Yes,
syntax?
ma'am.
Okay. So what is the example we have done it? We have done also, right? So if you're giving as a without where condition, what will happen is entire column will update it, right? Yes or no? This will be the example. So we can give, we have done the particular column also, right? Using the where condition. If you specify the any column which is present in the table, then it will be updated based on the cell. Okay. So you can mention employee ID column name or mobile number. Based on the values, it will update the data, but on particular cells. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No confusions, right?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Copy this as an example for update statement. Once it is done, copy the delete statement heading. Okay. Kindly let me know as soon as done. I'll be waiting for you guys.
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Others, copy.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Take the heading, delete statement. Delete statement. This statement, this statement, this statement is used to, this statement is used to delete, delete all the records, delete. This statement is used to delete all the records from the table, from the table, or or particular records from the table, or particular records from the table. Shall I repeat once again? Delete statement is used to delete all the records from the table or particular records from the table. Understood? So what is the syntax we can use in the delete statement?
Delete and select the table name.
We can use delete from. We have to
Table name.
use here from. Okay. Previously we have used on table or column. Okay. So careful. Delete from table name. If I'll be using this. Okay. So for example, delete from EMP table. Take it as some EMP table. Okay, copy this. Under this, copy one statement. This syntax is used to this syntax is used to delete the entire delete entire data entire data of the table of the table, but but what this syntax will use to delete entire the records or entire data from the table, or right? But structure structure it's same as truncate, right? You guys remember in the yesterday session we have discussed
Yes, ma'am.
structure of the table remain same you can able to insert the data once again. Okay, if using this delete statement. Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is the one more syntax we can use? Delete from table name. We can use where condition. So condition means you can specify column name is equal to values, particular values. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So if I'll be using, for example, delete from EMP table where e name is equal to ram. So in the e name column, wherever it is mentioned as a ram name, so all the records will be deleted. right? Entire row of the records will be deleted. If the RAM name is displayed in one time, it will be delete. If two times is the display, that also will be record. Even though the another RAM ID is different, it will also delete it. Understood?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
So that's the reason we can give the EMP ID. So that will be the unique. You can remove the particular cell. Okay. I hope it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So once it is done, is it copied, everyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay, copy it. So why we have to use this statement here? This statement is used to, or this syntax we use to, excuse, use it to delete particular particular delete the particular row of the table. Row of the table. So this statement is used to delete the particular row of the table, but this statement is used to delete from table name. This statement is used to delete the entire records of the table, but the table structure remains same. I hope is understanding for this DML statement for everyone.
Ma'am.
Yes. Without. Hello.
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay. Copy once again. Copy this. As soon as copied, let me know. We'll go for very important topic. One more time. DCL. Data Control Language.
For this, we have to use the primary key. That will be very useful, no, ma'am.
Yes. If you want the particular cells, you can use this. Okay. You
But
can use
duplicate
the.
names will be there, then it will be a problem.
So it is not a mandatory to use for. That's what I'm telling. When using the delete statement, you should be careful. So based on your requirement, you can use the condition.
Okay.
Okay. If the employees who are names are Ram, I want to delete those particular cell, you can use this. Otherwise, I want to delete some XYZ person, you can use the unique contact number for that particular person or their employee ID. Okay. So then you can use the unique particular employee address or employee details are removed from the table. Best example I can give you, if you go to the company, the person will be moving to the another company, right? Their HRMS, they want to delete the in the current active employee details, right? So they have to move that person to ex employees. So that time I can use the particular employee ID or unique the particular employee contact number. We can use and we can delete that data. So is it understanding?
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay.
As you said, we can copy also, ma'am, from one table to another table.
Yes, I'll tell you the later. Okay, wait for that.
Okay.
So this is for as of now delete statement. Let's go by one.
You told you're moving employees from this one to
So
another, no? So I
that
thought of
method
that.
is different. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So this is just I'm deleting in current employee databases. I'm removing the data.
Oh, that is different. Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
You'll get to know in upcoming sessions. So what has been by, you know this, right? Front end and back end. The front end means that is a UI validation, right? For backend means what does the mean? We have to do the database inserting and do the database validation and backend implementation, like using AWS and database SQL and API code things, right? So there we'll be focusing on morely on SQL. In the database, we'll be focusing on this SQL things. So if you are inserting these data, then only you can see the front-end HRMS website. Okay. If you search the particular employee data, you will get it. Understood? I hope it's clear this.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So everyone copied this. Let me know once it is copied. Please copy fast.
Ma'am, if we delete data, it is permanently deleted or temporary, ma'am?
No, these are all permanent.
Okay.
Okay. Still we can recover. I'll tell you the later. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Right now, you understood whatever you're doing the DDL and DML action, those are permanent. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So copy everyone.
Yes.
Others. Anybody still copying?
Yes.
Okay. Before moving to new statement, anybody is having still doubt? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what does mean by DCL statement? Anybody can say this? What's the full form of DCL?
Data control language.
Data control language, right? So we have a two types. What are the two types of this DCL?
Grant and revoke.
Grant and revoke. So generally, what is mean by this grant and revoke? I just told you the basic, right? Grant means to give the permission. Can I say this general English word? To give permission. Revoke to whatever you give the permission. Take back, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Revert back. Okay, revert back the permission. Whatever you give the permission, you are taking back this. Okay. So basically, so why we have to use this DCL statement? What's the purposes we can use this DCL statement? So when comes to the SQL, it is used to specifically in the server mainly deal with the write permission. Just one second. Someone is okay. Who is that? Pawan, is the new session today for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Just go with that. I'll speak to you in the last, okay? End of the session.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So let's come to the new topic here, DCL, data control language. So this statement is used to specifically in the SQL server. For mainly it is dealing with the what we have to give the permission or other security related issues. Okay. We are giving rights or permission, or we can give the security related issues. Okay. For this, basically this commands is used to allow the access information from the database. And so why we have to use the database grant and revoke? For example, there I'll give you the real time of example here. So in organization, you have all the permission. For example, Lohit will be having all the permission. He have own databases, right? So he's going for his vacation, some 15 days or 1 week or anything. But his work is should not stop, right? If something is critical testing, it should come. It should not stop the testing, right? We have to give the some backup resources, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
For that backup person should have a some access on his databases. Okay, so I'll be on leave for 1 month. So my backup is Lohit. So I used to give my table access to him for few days. So whenever comes to the critical validation on the application, some backend related issue, he can use my account temporarily. Whatever I'll give the access to him, he can do and he can work on that. So then it will not stop the any validation comes to the QA. Understood? So that will be the grant. Understood? I hope it's clear, everyone.
Yeah, ma'am.
So others understanding. So once I'll be back, I can revoke my permission. Whatever I have given the permission to him, I can revoke. I can take back the permission. That means called as revoke. So in real time, how we can do it to give the granting the permission or revoking the permission? We can do it practically now. Okay. So for that purposes, we have to use workbench. I can do it. So basically, what are the give permission and what are the take back permission? We can do it using this. So we can do the grant users with the various privileges or single or multiple users also you can do it. So with that, we can use select statement, insert, update, delete. All these statements for all the tables we can do it. So whatever you can do this granting on revoking, specifically we can use the syntax for what we can give this. Okay, grant permission on the table, okay, on table to username, new user, okay. And this was the grant permission, and we have to revoke the permission, right? The syntax for revoke permission on table from, we can use username. So let's see this the syntax we have used it, correct? So let's see this how we have used it on real time of the application. So we have to specifically open the workbench. Let it be open. It's taking time. Is it open? So how do we log in with the root user? Always, every time the root user will be the main user as of now. Okay. So if you click on here, you have to enter the password. Then it should be opening for the root user. This is your main user. Understood? I hope it's understanding, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this was, we know this. As we know, we are login as a root user and we have to enter the password and we have connected. Okay. So now I have to do the, we can do that here because the main user is root user. So this user only, they have to give the permission to the another user, right? So here everyone can able to see the server. So you have to click main user from the server, and here you can click users and privileges. Okay, and here you can see this root user is already there.
Yes, ma'am.
I can give the some dummy user, I have to assign it. Add, shall I give the test user here? Test, and you can create the password. Okay, what password I can give? Shall I give root itself? It's okay if it is mentioned as a weak. Is it?
Mm.
If I'll be click on apply, the user, as soon as enter here, see the new user. So if I'm click on apply, is it coming test user?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'll be log in with my test user. Okay, I can show you this. Shall I close this? I'll close this. Again, I'll open the workbench freshly. So I'll pin this workbench. So if I want to log in with my test user, right? So I cannot log in with the root user with that same, because by default it is taking as a root user only. So whatever the test user, I can take it here, database, click on the database, connect to the database. Here it is mentioned as a root. So what I given here, test, yes or no? Now his name has changed as a test.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So shall I enter the root password?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
So is my created now?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm able to successfully log in with created user, dummy user.
Yes, ma'am.
Right now, I don't have any databases. Understood? So I can create a database now. Create database. Shall I give database 1? So what will happen this? So what is the error I am getting?
Access denied for user.
Yes, because this user is created by root user. Root user is not giving the permission to create the database. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
So I can close this. I'll open the root user. Okay. There is no databases available, right? For the test user.
Yeah.
Okay. So now I can give the, shall I give the some permission?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have to, I can check it. So what happened? This does not exist, right? I'm running here. QAC. Okay, show tables of this. So I can execute the show tables. I can enter any table here. Select star from employee details 1. We can give
Yes, ma'am.
employee details. So I can select and run it. So is I'm getting my data?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So once it is executed, what I have to do it? I can show you. Is it not? Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
So I want to give the permission, right? So I can give, what is the syntax of that? Grant permission, and we have to give on permission on table name to the username, right? So what is the table name here? EMP details 1, 2. Which is the user? Test user.
Test use.
So is that correct? If I'm using this grant, we can use what permission? If shall I directly give the permission? It will work. Let's see
Yes, ma'am.
the syntax, because I'm not specifying the permission, what permission is required, right? So I'll give select permission. Okay, firstly. So grant select on the EMP details to the test user. Is it errors is went? Shall I execute? This is granted the permission here. Is it showing green color now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here also you can directly navigate. So one thing, you can close and you can open also, because right now, because this user will not have a access for the dummy user. That's the reason I'm closing and I'll be opening from the main window through the databases. But even though you can check it out for cross check before giving the permission to the test user, you the main user also we can able to validate with the same window. Understanding? So click on connect to the database. Here I can give test root. Is it coming QA?
Yes, ma'am.
So in that table, in the QA database, we have multiple tables, right? Employee details 1 or 2, EMP, student. We have multiple tables.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can switch it easily with the different tabs. Here you can see this. We have multiple tables available,
Yes, ma'am.
but I have given only this particular table. So in this particular table, only should have a access. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I can do select star from EMP details. So I can execute in the test user. This is test user. Okay. So what is the issue? You cannot directly execute the select statement, even though the other dummy user or other user, temporary user, you have to follow the same. Okay, what I have to do? Use database, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Database or database directly. Use QA. I have selected my databases. Then I can execute. What is the permission now? What's error? What the issue? Show databases. What's the procedure we have to use it? So we have information schema, performance schema, and QA also. That's the reason. But here it is not showing, okay? Because this is what temporary user. You will not able to get it, okay? Use QA. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So what I can do it next? Show
Show table employee details.
show tables. So coming. Then select star from
Employee details.
EMP details. So what is the error I'm getting? Some issues we are getting, right?
Employee details 1.
Okay. So the table name is wrong. Now let's see this. So now I'm able to retrieve the data.
Yes, ma'am.
So the select permission is working fine without any error.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Anyone have a doubt on this? I hope it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The same way, shall I give insert also? Here, insert or update. You can give insert, update, or delete. Okay, delete method also. Let I can give delete statement also. So let I can select this show databases and grant permission. So you can use, let I can select it. So is that selected? Permission is granted for select, insert, update, and delete permission for employee details 1 for the test users. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here, let's I can 1 minute. We can do the insert method.
Yes, ma'am.
Insert into EMP details 1. Correct? Values. What is the table name? ID is work 5, comma. Ravi. Let's calculate this. Executed successfully. So I can again retrieve the data. Is it my data got updated?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So shall I change the data? What we have to done? Insert is done. Okay. So I want to update it. What I have to give it here? Update. What is the syntax we can use? Table. Table name. Tell me. It's already done, right?
Update table name set column value is equal to
Set column.
Column name equals to values.
We have to mention column name, right?
Name. Yeah.
We can give first name
Yes.
is equal to
Value.
Sagar.
Sagar.
Okay. And where condition we
Where
can use
employee ID, like ID equals to
where
1.
ID is
4.
equal to
4.
okay. So okay, let I can give 1. So it will be replacing, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So why it is showing as an error?
ma'am, update table name, not table.
Here. Is it correct? What's the
No,
syntax
ma'am,
we
update table name, set column.
yes. Correct. What we can use to update?
Yes, update employee details.
We should not do we require the
Column.
column here?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Directly we can specify the
Yes,
column
ma'am.
name, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
one advantage of this workbench, whenever you are entering the wrong some data, it will show as a red color mark error. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I can update this data. So what is the mean of this? In this first name, I need to update this Sagar where ID is equal to 1.
One.
Okay. So instead of now it's Saujanya, right? It is changed as a Sagar. So it's successfully executed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So select star. So it got updated successfully.
Yes, ma'am.
So now update also done. Okay. So then what else? Shall I delete that particular rows?
Yes, ma'am.
Delete from EMP details, and we can give set. What we have to do? Shall I give same? What the reason? Set? Which set is not required, right? For deleting.
Yes, ma'am.
Where ID is 5. Shall I give 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay? So it is employee details or employee details 1?
Employee details 1.
Okay. So I can run it. Is it successfully executed?
Yes, ma'am.
So again, you can select the select statement and run it. It got deleted the particular row.
Yes, ma'am. It's deleted.
So you guys understood whatever the we can do this delete or insert or update and select statement, we can do it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have done for first is on DDL statement, right? Data definition language. If you do the particular column related, if you changed as a column name, if you want to rename the column name, can we give the permission of this? We should not give the permission for the main things. Okay, inside the table, whatever you want to give the actions, that you can possible. Understood? So so I have given the permission now. So I just back it. So then I can revoke the permission again. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So what I have to do it? We can revoke back the permission, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So once I'll do it, you can't. So here, revoke, you can give. What is the we can give it here? Permission only, right? I'll take back the permission, delete, update. Okay. So we have given to the permission, right? For the revoke statement, what we have to done? We should mention as a on table name details 1 from test. So previously we given 2 test. Now I'm taking back from the test user. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Only I'm taking back permission, delete and update. Let's see. It's successfully executed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll be moving to the other user. So I can give 4 for delete option. Shall I execute?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the error now?
Delete command denied to user.
Because I already revoked the permission for delete the things, right? Understood? So I can again insert it here. Successfully inserted.
Yes, ma'am.
So delete permission, not able to do it. Understood? So shall I do the update?
Yes, ma'am.
This
Denied.
because this is also take back the permission. Understood? Is that easy, everyone? I
Ma'am,
hope
only,
you understand.
ma'am, I have doubt, ma'am. For
Yes.
only this scenario, we can use this grant and revoke, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
So why we have to use, like for example, I already give an example, right? So in a company, you want to validate some databases. Some other user is on leave. You have to take care of in that backup resources, right? But is have some security related issues. If I'll give all my root user password, I can do it any changes, right? With their
Yes,
tables.
yes, ma'am.
So if it is any giving permission or any set it as any conditional statement, I have to perform only that things, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It will not impact their security also. That's the reason the DCL statement is got introduced. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody is having doubt for DCL statement? I hope it's clear, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's take the notes on this DCL statement. Take the heading data control language statements or DCL statements. Under that, copy the point wise. First point. First point. DCL commands or statement in SQL. DCL commands. DCL commands or statements in SQL Server is mainly deal with the rights DCL commands or statements in SQL Server is mainly deal with the rights, permission, and other security related issues. Rights, comma, permission, and other security related issues. So, and one more thing, just listen. So, we have in an organization, we have only the single server. So, that's the reason with the same network you are working, right? So, that time you can give your permission to the other colleagues or other friends as well with the same organization who is working with your same project. So right now you guys are working with the different networks. So different local host it's connected with the server. You are not able to give the permission for your other friends. Okay. So that's the reason you can able to create a user itself with the same laptop and you can access it. The same thing. Okay.
Okay, leave it.
Understood?
Okay, leave it. Tomorrow we'll check it out.
Okay. Copied first point.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The second point, using DCL commands, using DCL commands, using DCL commands, using DCL commands, a user can be allowed A user can be allowed.
Once again, repeat, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. Using DCL commands. Using DCL commands. Using DCL commands. A user can be allowed. A user can be allowed. A user can be allowed a user can be allowed to access to access to access to access the information from a database. The information from a database. Using DCL commands, a user can be allowed to access the information from a database. Access the information from a database. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Last point of DCL statement. We can grant a user we can grant a user with various privileges with various privileges on single or multiple tables. So I'm telling you, if you want to give the multiple table name, okay, you can give here table 1, comma, table 2. Understood? It should not be the only the single tables. You can give multiple tables also for the permission to them. Understood? I hope it's clear.
Instead
Everyone?
of table
Yes.
1 and table 2 name, ma'am, we can use that database name or not, no? Like,
We can try it.
yeah, ma'am.
Yes. So what we have done it here,
Like only we give insert, update, delete.
we can do this.
Yes, ma'am.
QAC
Yes, ma'am.
28. Is it working?
No, ma'am.
Because this syntax is only for the table, not on the database.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
So we have to give only database.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. So where we have stopped it? So we can,
Privileges on single or multiple tables.
yes, privileges on single or multiple tables. Full stop. These permissions can be applicable. These permission can be applicable for user to use the command these permissions can be applicable for user to use the command such as select, insert, insert, select, insert, update, select, comma, insert, comma, update, comma, delete, comma, alter, alter, alter also we can do it, okay? Comma, alter,
Ma'am,
or yes,
can you repeat third point?
yes, we can grant a user with various privileges on single or multiple tables. These permissions can be applicable. Permissions can be applicable for user to use the command 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 such as cell excuse such as select, insert, update, delete, and alter for all for alter or all on the table, all on the table. So these are the permissions we, yes,
Update, delete, and alter.
or or all on the table, all on the table. So in the table we can give these all the permission, okay? I hope it's clear, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, copy the this one, types of DCL, grant and revoke. For your understanding, I'm just mentioned here to give the permission, revert back the permission. So, and also mention the syntax of this. Understood? I hope it's done. Once it is copied, let me know. Done?
No, ma'am.
So I have documented how do we create the other user, okay, and also how to give the grant permission and how to revoke the permission. So you guys can copy that as well. Let me know once it is copied this. For tomorrow sessions, you guys can practice and come back with DCL and along with this DML statement. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, Abhi.
Yeah, yes, Ravi.
Wait.
Hello.
Yeah.
Abhi. Okay. So
I'll be on
guys,
mute.
now
Let
I
me
am
know.
Yes, ma'am.
Copied everyone for till here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's copy on this table. Let me know as soon as it's copied this. Okay.
Tomorrow
Can
will come to office, right? That
I'll
time
be
you
on
can-
mute. Let me know once it is done. Okay.
No, I think he needs.
Copy.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Copy fast. Or else will you guys take the screenshot
Yes, ma'am.
and you guys can copy it later?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. That's good. I think you guys also getting late. Okay. Take the screenshot of this. Copy in the notes. Okay. Don't forget it. Done for this slide. Taken the screenshot.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Moving to next slide. Take that screenshot as well. Okay. Take this one as well. Here I'll be mentioning the select databases and the examples and each and everything I'll be explaining here. Okay. Let me know once it is taken the screenshot.
Yes, ma'am. It's done.
Others done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm moving to next slide. So this was to get the or to give the grant permission for other users, right? So next I'll give you the taking back the whatever I'll give the permission. So revoking the permission, you can also take the screenshot. Here I'm just explaining for what is the mean of this grant and revoke. So grant command is used to in SQL Server to use the granting the user privileges and other privileges to the databases. So here you are taking back the permission. Whatever you have given the privileges means is a permission. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
And one more thing, revoke. If you are granted any permission, only that permission you can able to revoke. You cannot do it other permissions. Okay. If you're not given the granted, you cannot able to revoke the permissions. Keep remember on that. So is that taken the screenshot of this?
Yes, ma'am.
Others taken?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll be stopping screen recorded now.